Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. At the first, let's prepare a good source of light. We have to see a very mess that we have on the screen. As you can see in my case, I got here a lot of fingerprints and we are going to remove them. But at the first, let's open the box with the tempered glass. So as you can see, there's mine. It looks like that. Next, we can open box inside with wipes. It's wet and dry. We are going to use the wet at the first. And all you need to know, you have to remove that fingerprints with the wet wipe. So let's make it like that. Okay, right now let's put it back and open dry wipe and do the same. Okay, and right now it's almost finished, but you can also use additional wipe. You can use the paper towel and just clean your screen, as you can see, like that. Right now it will look perfect. Okay, and as you can see, it's really good. I mean, the display is in really good condition, so right now we have to remove this sticker from the tempered glass. And keep holding the bottom part. Take a look on the upper section of the screen. We can turn on the screen. Okay, let's move it a little bit to the left side. Yeah, I think right now it looks good. Yeah, let's maybe put it a little bit on the right side. So when the tempered glass sticks, you can gently leave it and lift, and it will be no any problem. So we don't have to be afraid of that kind of the issue. Okay, right now it's fine. So let's put the bottom part like that, and as you can see, it goes very fast automatically. You don't even have to press on your screen. Yeah, we can press here and it's done. As you can see right now, we can use our device. And there's no any problem with the touch interaction on the screen, so we don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on this smartphone. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.